Welcome class 9 students. Welcome in our e-learning classes of Bardon Model School. Students, today I will solve question number 6 of the exercise 8.2, the chapter quadrilateral. Previously I have solved question number 5 of the chapter quadrilateral, that is exercise 8.2. So question statement is, so that the line segment joining the midpoint of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. So according to the statement, so draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means having four sides. So having four sides, that is AB, sides AB, BC, CD and AD. These are the four sides. Now midpoint. So midpoint I am taking midpoint of AB P, midpoint of BC Q, midpoint of DC R and midpoint of that is S. So midpoint means AP equal to PB. These two measure will be same. These two measure will be same. So midpoints are PQ, PQ, RS. Now the line segment joining. So that joining PQ, PQ, PS. Okay. Now we get a quadrilateral. So the line segment joining the midpoint of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. So it means that we have to prove that quadrilateral, that ABCD and so the opposite sides line segment. So one, this is the line segment joining opposite sides and another of PS. We have to prove that RPR and SQ are bisecting each other. So you have to prove that RP and PQ are bisecting each other. So students, first of all, I have joined that RP and PQ and also draw the diagonal of AC. Okay. Again, we will solve this question by using the help of midpoint theorem. Now, taking triangle ACD in triangle ACD, midpoint of AD S and midpoint of CD R. So you can say SR parallel to AC and SR equal to half of AC. That midpoint theorem, S and R is the midpoint, so that SR is parallel to AC and SR using by MPT, midpoint theorem. Okay, short form of midpoint MPT, that is SR equal parallel to AC and now again in triangle. Now taking this triangle ABC, that is PQ. P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of BC. That line segment joining P and Q, PQ parallel to the third side of triangle AC. That PQ parallel to AC and PQ equal to half of AC. Now look at the board. SR parallel to AC, PQ parallel to AC. So these two are parallel to each other. SR parallel to AC, PQ parallel to. So these one are parallel to each other. We have solved many questions previously by using that theorem. So I am writing here. So SR parallel to PQ. SR parallel to PQ and SR and PQ. SR and PQ are also equal to AC. Both the equation right hand sides are same. So SR equal to PQ. So one thing it is clear, students, that a quadrilateral SPQR, whose opposite sides, it means SR and PQ are parallel as well as equal. So it is that SPQR is the quadrilateral whose opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides parallel as well as equal. It is called parallelogram. Okay. So SPQR or PQRS is a parallelogram. Now students, we know that diagonals of parallelogram are bisecting each other. So as PQRS is a parallelogram, therefore SQ and PR, these are the diagonals, bisect each other. So students, again I am explaining that from ACD, ACs are parallel to AC, and ABC, PQ parallel to AC, and PQ half of AC. Now removing that AC parts, SP, SR equal to PQ and SR parallel to PQ. So in this conclusion, we can say that if two sides are parallel and equal of a quadrilateral SP, PQRS, then you can say PQRS is a parallelogram. As it is a parallelogram, we know that diagonals of the parallelogram are bisecting each other. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisects each other. So from that relation, you can say SQ and PR bisect each other. So that is our required proof, that PR and SQ are bisecting each other. We have proved it already, students. This proved already done by using midpoint theorem. Okay, so students, if you have any problem regarding this video, you can ask me in your e-portal of Badon Model School, and this video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel. Follow our YouTube channel regularly. I hope it is the concept of this question number 6 clear to you, and if it is not clear, you can ask me in our YouTube portal, and after some days we will start again the live classes. In that class, you also be able to clear your doubt. Thank you, students.